Make a trip to Dollar Tree and grab 2 of these paper towel holders, 2 small baskets, and a pack of these mini cable ties. Start by attaching your first basket in between the 2 paper towel holders. You'll use the mini cable ties to connect each side of the basket to the holders in 2 different spots per side. We're going to angle the basket slightly downward and elevate the back edge by tightening the ties so that it's tipped forward a bit. Now repeat the same process with your second basket. And just like that, you've got a functional, stylish, and budget-friendly tiered organizer with such little effort. Add it to your kitchen counter or on a shelf in your pantry to organize grab-and-go snacks or fresh produce so it's easy for the whole family to grab. You could use this organizer to corral hair accessories like headbands and hair bows on top of a dresser, or put it on the bathroom counter to store rolled up hand towels and washcloths. You could also use it to keep all of your makeup and skincare products within easy reach on the counter. Fill it up with your kids' art supplies on top of their desk, or put it on your own desk and load it up with your favorite office supplies like pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. You could also add this to an entryway table and use it as a catch-all for emptying out your pockets and putting your keys, sunglasses, cash, and more all in one place so they don't go missing. Head to the Dollar Tree to grab a paper towel holder, 2 cooling racks, and a pack of mini clothespins. To attach the cooling racks, I'm using some leftover crafting wire because that's what I had on hand today, but zip ties would also work really well for this part. I grabbed pliers to help me cut and twist all of the little wires to hold my cooling racks in place. Make sure the 2 racks are nice and lined up straight. Make sure everything is nice and tight and sturdy, and you're all set. Now let's grab some spray paint and give this whole thing a coat of paint to give it a cohesive look. Wait for your paint to dry, and then your display stand is ready to put to use. This display stand is really versatile and can be used in so many ways around your house. Just use the mini little clothespins that we found in the craft section at Dollar Tree to attach anything you want. One idea is as a photo display. Another idea is to use it as a treat stand. This is a really fun way to display treats either for a party or maybe to organize your snack station in your pantry, and you have a functional, cute, and really versatile idea.
Next time you're at Dollar Tree, scoop up some of the white wire baskets and head over to the kitchen section and grab yourself a paper towel holder. I'm going to take the paper towel holder as well as 2 of their white round baskets. Then I'm going to take the paper towel holder and place it on the bottom like you see here, just so that I can find the middle of the paper towel holder and then cut out the wire basket just in the middle. You want to make sure that it's directly in the middle so that your basket sits straight. You're going to slide it over top of the wire holder, and then you're going to secure it in place with some zip ties at the bottom. Once you have this first basket on the bottom tight and secure, you're next going to take your second wire basket and you're going to line it up on the bottom again and cut out the middle portion of the wire basket. And again, making sure it's directly in the middle so your basket sits straight. You're going to place it on your paper towel holder and put it at your desired height, and then you're going to place some zip ties around the paper towel holder to give it a little bit of a ledge to sit on. So I've used about 4 zip ties here and placed them in place like you see. Then you're going to come in with some E6000 and you're going to secure it all around the zip ties to give it extra security. You're going to let that set for at least 12 to 24 hours, and then you can spray paint it your favorite color. I chose a nice gold here, and I'm using it in my bathroom to store lotions and sprays. But this idea also works great in the kitchen or in your office or anywhere else in your home.
Head on over to the dollar store and grab some paper towel holders for these awesome DIYs. I'm using a command hook. I grabbed a paper towel holder and I placed it onto the command hook. I grabbed my hats and through the loop in the back of the hat, slid it onto the paper towel holder. I continue doing this for multiple hats, and you can fit quite a few on here. It's a great way to organize your hats. For this project, I started with dollar store adhesive and spread it on the bottom of my pencil holders. I repeated this process, so I had a total of 3 pencil holders. While the adhesive was setting, I grabbed some fishing line and I wove it through each of the pencil holders and around the paper towel holder and tied it into place and then cut off the excess string. I grabbed some silverware, spoons, forks, and knives and placed them into each of the pencil holders. Now I have a super fun and easy tote to carry my silverware to and from the table. I started by grabbing a sign from the dollar store, and I removed anything from the front of it that I didn't want. I grabbed some adhesive from the dollar store and I spread it around the base of a paper towel holder. Next, I place them onto the board together, and I let this set for 24 hours, allowing the adhesive to become nice and solid. I grabbed a hanger and slid it onto the paper towel tubes. Just stack them all on. When you're ready to use one again, simply pull it off, grab your shirt, hang your shirt up in your closet.
To start this project, take a paper towel holder and some zip ties from Dollar Tree. Loop the zip ties around the paper towel stand one by one, evenly spaced and secure in place. Go all the way up the stand with zip ties. Take scissors and cut off the excess of the zip tie. Use a mini hot glue gun to add little dots of hot glue to make sure the zip ties stay in place. Cover the entire stand with gold spray paint and allow plenty of time to dry between coats. When the stand has dried, place it in your desired location and use it as easy storage. For project 2, take a clear adhesive hook from Dollar Tree and a paper towel holder. Add toilet paper rolls and you have easy and inexpensive toilet paper storage. Place scrunchies and hair ties over the top and you have an easy and cheap storage solution. Head to your local Dollar Tree to pick up 2 round baking pans, a bag of marbles, jute rope, twine, 4 gold baskets, and a paper towel holder. Start by hot gluing the paper towel holder in the center of one pan. Hot glue rope starting from the outer edge and work your way in. And work your way up the center of the paper towel holder. Continue gluing and wrapping rope around the paper towel holder until reaching the top. Take twine and baskets and wrap, tie, and secure them on either side of the paper towel holder center. Take the second round pan and pour marbles into it. Place the top pan and the baskets on top. Then use it as you see fit in your home as a spinning produce basket or as a spinning storage for bathroom supplies. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own easy DIY spinning storage for your home for less than $15.
You'll need 4 of these chrome napkin holders, a paper towel holder, a set of these plastic chopping boards, and you can also pick up some zip ties at Dollar Tree as well. First thing is to trace the napkin holder onto the chopping board. I'm going to do this 4 times and then cut out the half circles. Now I'm using a really strong glue. E6000 is great for this task. I'm attaching those pieces of the plastic chopping board to the side of the napkin holder. I'm going to let this dry completely before moving on to the next step. I'm creating a 2-tiered makeup holder here. So I'm going to take 2 of these napkin holders and glue them to the bottom of the paper towel holder. Once that's dry, I'm going to tilt it on its side and attach 2 more toward the top of the paper towel holder. It's really helpful to place a book or something to keep this steady so it doesn't roll around. Once the glue is all dry, for a little added security, I'm going to use some zip ties just on the top 2 napkin holders to make sure when I fill this, it doesn't go anywhere. Now that everything is secure, it's time to add my makeup. I'm putting in some of my most used products, nail polish and hand lotions, and this is going to go right in my bathroom so it's really easy to access. I hope this inspired you to pick up some inexpensive items from Dollar Tree and make your own makeup organizer.